Hi, I am Manjula. We will discuss about blood pressure. Every person who is diagnosed with blood pressure, he thinks his enemy is salt. But it is not true. In fact, when your blood is at its healthiest, it is slightly salty. Sea salt is the right salt for blood pressure. It has over 50 minerals including magnesium, which is very important for blood pressure. Magnesium is the nature's prescription for blood pressure. Magnesium relaxes the blood vessels. Unfortunately, the salt you find in most foods today isn't even close to what Mother Nature intended. The common table salt is nothing but sea salt, which is refined and bleached with residual chemicals from processing. In the process, it loses all the minerals which are required for human body. Few people are aware of the enormous role magnesium plays in our bodies. Magnesium is by far the most important mineral in the body after oxygen, water, basic food. There are many studies that show the more magnesium you get, the lower your blood pressure will be. Experiments prove that magnesium dilates the arteries of the heart and lowers cholesterol and fat levels. The junk food is the main culprit for children and adults not getting needed nutrients, as junk food is highly processed and does not provide real nutrition to the body. If you want to supply your body with magnesium, don't go for supplements. Most of the supplements are hard to digest and are eliminated from the body. Having food which is rich in magnesium is the best option. It is easy for the body to digest and absorb the magnesium in the form of food. You may think about overdose of magnesium. The body can easily eliminate extra magnesium that is consumed in the form of food. It is rare to show the effects of a magnesium overdose. Despite this, some of the people who have kidney problems may have an overdose, as the kidneys will be less efficient when disposing excess quantities, therefore causing a buildup. Diarrhea is one of the first symptoms associated with an overdose. Additional symptoms may include vomiting, nausea, and stomach upset. If you find any of these symptoms of magnesium overdose, lessen the food supplement or go for another form of the supplement. You can get more magnesium by eating nuts, seeds, dairy products, and dark green leafy vegetables, bananas, dark chocolate, low-fat yogurt, brown rice, and whole wheat products. Remember the saying, if the food is right, there is no need for medicine. If the food is wrong, the medicine is of no use.